Top 5 Best Auto Darkening Welding Lens. Solar Auto Darkening Welding Lens Panel Welding Helmet Mask Automation Filter Shade Eyes Goggles, TX500C, in just $15.38. Large View Window. This welding lens has large view window, which provides clear and larger viewing perspective, and reduce fatigue of eyes. Solar Panel. With a solar panel to charge with battery of welding helmet which can prolong the service life of the helmet. Highly sensitive. The Solar Auto Darkening Welding Lens adopts sensitive arc sensor, which have a stable and reliable performance. Fast response. This welding lens has a fast response time and provides better protection for the welder. Prevention of occupational diseases. You will have a good protection with this automation filter at working and prevent occupational disease. Huawei Auto Darkening Welding Lens, True Color Blue Technology, Shade 10, 2x4.25 with 2 PCs replacement outside cover lens for pipeliner welding hood in just $53.99. Thickness 0.22, about 5.5 millimeters. Fit in most 2x4 1/4 welding hoods. Huawei True Color Lens Technology with Light State 2.5 allows welders to experience a brighter and more natural view. They don't have to flip up the helmet frequently before, during and after welds, highly increasing the productivity with less rework. Superior optics system enables the lens no flicker when welding outdoor or indoor brighter workplaces. Leave the competitors behind. Note: not recommend the lens for TIG. Please check out F-Series for TIG welding. Durable lens life enables keep welding and increase your productivity, bang for your buck. 100% money guarantee. If there is any quality problems with our lens, please don't hesitate to contact us to ask your money back or new replacement. We will provide you the most satisfactory reply within 24 hours. Two-pack Solar Auto Darkening Welding Mask Filter Lens. Automatic Darkening Horizontal Filter. Welding Front Cover Mask Goggles Lens. 3/11, 4-1/4, by 2 inches in just $18.99. Automatic Shading. With solar charging and fully automatic on-off, it can automatically shade and filter bad light in welding state. Widely used. Suitable for all standard welding helmet, mask windows. Good protection. Good protection in terms of work and prevention of occupational diseases. High definition view. Use high-quality LCD and multi-layer optical interference filters. Perfect. Solar charging function and fully automatic on-off, safe operation. Size: 4.25 by 2 inches, 108 by 50 millimeters. View area 90 by 30 millimeters, 3.45 inches by 1.18 inches. Lincoln Electric 2x4C Series Auto Darkening Welding Lens Variable Shade 8 to 13 kp 3775-1 in just $149. World-renowned lens technology provides crystal clear view of the arc and puddle. The exclusive liquid crystal lens broadens the color range and hues which can be seen in both light and dark states. Eliminates color saturation for a true color view. Reduces eye strain for all-day comfort. High quality and consistent performance which minimizes blurriness and distortion. ARC 1T 24010 Tradesman Horizontal Auto Darkening Filter for Welding Helmets, 2x4.25 by 0.2, in just $62. Light State 3, Dark State 10.5. 2 independent sensors. Economical, general use filter. Dimensions 2-inch x 4-1/4 inch by 0.2 inch. Viewing area 5.25 inch.